Guys, today I just bought this from Kohl's Brookfield and it is called the Lego Creator Sports Car. And it has 134 pieces and I'm going to show you how and I'm going to tell some facts after I build it. First, I'm gonna tell the introduction. Actually, I like the lights, which is like described and it looks like the McLaren Speedtails lights. And one more thing is it has a spoiler. Spoilers are my favorite, actually. It has a spoiler, and one problem is they don't have any door openings, and the rest of them, just amazing. Then I'm gonna tell you the steps, okay? This is step number 1. And I forgot to tell you something. Actually, this is a 3-in-1 booklet, and you can do this or that. It's your imagination. If you want to do those both, all of them, you have to buy 3. If you just want to pick one, you just have to get one. And step 1 is you name this part and then this part. So I'm gonna connect this, and then the next part is what is that? Oh, the next part is to put it something in the other side. And where's that part? Oh, they're right here, huh? I didn't know that. Oh, like this. To put like this, huh? Okay, voila. Then put the same thing right. Yeah, the same thing. I knew it. Yeah. The same thing like this. Right here. Oh, that's cool. Okay. The next step is
Start.
So this is the step we're gonna do, which is step 3. And I think, okay, sorry guys, I forgot to tell you something. We're gonna do just to 10 because this is 47 steps and it may be too hard for you to watch, and I want to make it a little less minutes, and that's why I'm gonna do it. And this is step 3. We're gonna put this part right here. I already put this, and we're gonna take this part and put it right here. Put this right here. What? So challenging. We already used this part, so if you want to see this, this is the step, okay? And we should put this right here, and that's it. We made the base, and on to the next step. Okay, now this is the step 5. We're gonna do the same step. So if you guys want to see this, there's the part, and see that. Let me show you this. You know what? Let me show you. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Let me go back to that step. Step 5. We're gonna put this right here, right? Wait. Right here. Oh, right here. Right here. Right, what? It's not fitting. What? Oh, it's fitting. Okay. Next is right here. Yeah. Then they've shown it in upside down, so this will be the front. This will be the front. Then all we're gonna do is, oh yeah. Then stack. If you want to see this here, we have 2 parts stick together like this, okay? One part right here and one part right here. Okay? It's not 2 parts stick together. Okay? One part right here and one part right here. Then put it right here. Here. Put it right here, okay? Right here. Down on that gray part, okay? Then what we're gonna do is, oh, yeah. What is? Oh, yeah. Okay. What we're gonna do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 1, 2. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what I'm counting. What? Wait. Right here. So put it right here. I forgot to show you. Okay. Put it right here, okay? You see that black part right here? Put it right there. And put it on the front. Okay? And back to here. And all we're gonna do is, oh yeah. Oh, right here. Put it right here. Oh my gosh. So tough. How's it so tough? Actually, sorry guys. I was trying to find where to put the part, so oh, now easy part, easy peasy. Oh, just put right here, and this also was challenging, so sorry guys, I did it a little bit late, and okay. Now we're gonna put another part and another pause. What? Oh, it says to put right here. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is go on to the next page. So did I just show this one? No, I didn't show this. So if you want to see this, here is the instructions. Okay, you're done? Okay. Okay, now moving on to the next step. Then we're gonna put the circle part, and this part. Okay? Okay, and we stick this part, and this part, and attach it. We stick that part and this part in the sports car. Okay. So sorry guys, another late thing, and it was so challenging. And it's so challenging, Okay, the next part is we're gonna put this in the front part. Then we're not gonna pause this. Wait a minute. I don't know why it's so shaky right here, because I don't know. Okay, the next step. Okay, we're gonna pause this because right there, because it has 47 steps, and we're gonna pause in 10. Okay? So we're gonna see you later after we build it. Okay, so meanwhile you can take a break while you do that. Okay, so guys, I'm so sorry because I said there's 47 steps and there's 48 steps actually, and I'm gonna show. And are you ready for the surprise? 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute. Yeah, here. So for design, I'm just gonna put my little Spidey right here and put it right here. Here, see? It's the interior, and we can just. And one thing I don't know about this is. I don't know if this is a camera or something, or is this a seat for something. Okay, then let's move on to the next step. The second thing I didn't know is the spoiler couldn't. I thought the spoiler couldn't move. It would be like this, I thought, but it didn't. We can move it anything we want. And in Asphalt 9, if you go faster, the wind comes up, right? And that's how it's like. So, and one more fact is, I don't know why those circles are for, and those exhausts are super amazing, and I like the design that is like this. And the front looks like the Dodge or something, and everything else is just fine. I like everything. Then if you like this video, please subscribe and share it to your friends, and like this video. If you like this video, like this video, okay? Okay, bye.
Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it.